Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in my house. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that. If Funny Guy has fire alarms in his house, do not tamper with them. Don't go to Dale's house and tamper with his fire alarms. Don't come to my house and tamper with my fire alarms. You don't tamper with fire alarms in anyone's house unless it is your own fire alarms in your own house. You especially don't tamper with fire alarms in a public building for any reason, or else you will be locked up behind bars. Do you want that? No, you do not want that. So don't tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. And don't pull fire alarms for fun in public buildings. For any reason. Bye!